this. I got some postpartum hair loss and it's like all in the front here. So it's making my baby hairs do some crazy stuff. What is this? Hey Slowbee Nation, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to what? This is September. Today we are going to be working on my September layout. You guys, my layouts don't really change very much. I'm a creature of habit. If I find something that works, I kind of just stick to it. I don't really change it up very much. And actually it makes the layout so much easier because you know exactly what you want in your layout. So you don't have to spend too much time rummaging through your stickers and your pins and pencils and stuff like that. So every time I do these layouts, I do use my own sticker kits. You guys don't have to use my sticker kits. You can use anyone else's sticker kit. You can just use pens and pencils if you want to. The only reason why I do use stickers is because I love the concept of bullet journaling. I love how flexible it is and how I can make it work for me. I like to do my monthly layouts in maybe 30 to 45 minutes max, and then my weekly layouts are like 15 minutes. Like I don't have time every single week to spend an hour or two. I mean, if I did have the time, like I would go all out every single week, but I don't, and I know a lot of you guys don't either, and I know a lot of us are, you know, sometimes just in a hurry to do it, but we also want it to look beautiful, and that's the reason why I created these sticker kits. It's so that you can have the best of both worlds. So yeah, I'm gonna stop jabbering and we're gonna go ahead and face the camera downwards. Okay, you guys, so this is my journal. I'll link down below which journal I use. I got it from Amazon. And we'll do a quick flip through of last month. As you guys can see, this is the August kit, and there's the cover page. And then on the right-hand side is Growing Groody. So pretty much 3 photos of what she looked like for the month of August. And it's my favorite page to always fill up. So if we open up the Growing Groody page, we'll have our bills, income, and savings. I didn't fill in the savings part, but I did do the income part, and the bills, I kind of dropped the ball on a little bit. So yeah, hopefully this month I'll be better at it. So for my last layout, I did decorate the first week on camera for you guys if you want to check that out in the last video, and here's what it looks like. So for the second week, I did use some of the Out of This World kit, but then I also added in some of the little galaxy kittens because I thought they were extra cute. And then for the third week, I did use the watercolor swatches from the August kit, but then I pretty much went impromptu for everything else because I have so many stickers from my shop that I want to use and play with as well. For the fourth week, I did the same thing. I pretty much just used a bunch of random stickers that I had from my shop just because I wanted to use it up. And as you guys can see on the right hand side, I started to add more photos of Groody every single week. You know, she makes so many cute facial expressions that I just want to add them to my weekly spread. And then for the fifth week, I pretty much went a little minimal on this one here, and I used some of the galaxy whales, which I think are really cute. As you guys can see, my weeks can get pretty hectic, so I always get super excited to start on a fresh week. So now we get to start on the fresh month, and here is my September kit, which is more fall related. And as you guys can see, here's a pocket that you can stick onto your journal and place your stickers in, and I do that with every monthly kit. We have a couple of mini sheets, some deco, boxes, headers, quotes, all sorts of fun stuff, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for the cover page, I'm going to start on the left side, and I'm going to draw out a diamond shape. So right in the middle here, I'm going to go ahead and peel out the word September from my lovely months sheet, and I place it right in the middle, right there. So one of my favorite things to do every single month is to decorate the cover page, and I love to do it with stickers. I love to layer it with stickers, and this month you're going to get 2 sheets of the vinyl chrome gold maple leaves, which I think is so pretty, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just sticking some of those gold maple leaves down. I'm taking some of the little fall leaves and I'm decorating the surrounding of the gold leaves, but I'm also making sure that I'm staying in line with the diamond shape that we drew out earlier. Also, don't be shy to use some scissors to trim up your stickers if you need it to look a certain way. And then I use some of the gold liners to just line out the rest of the diamond. Okay, now for the month layout, what I do is I just use one of these. They're super easy. You just peel them and then you stick them onto a page, and you just write in the numbers, and I have them for 60 cents on my shop, and they come in many different colors, and I'm just using the tan one today. Then I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the bottom a little bit with some quotes, and I love these quote sheets because you guys are the ones that submitted your favorite quotes, and I just pick a couple and I put them on a sheet for you, and I do that every single month. And at the top here, I should be writing September, but y'all, mom brain got the best of me and I wrote August. But I did change it out later on when I noticed, and I was like, yo, what the heck is going on with my brain? Okay, here I'm also using a Jane Davenport fountain pen, which is something that I discovered for the month of August that I really love, and I'm just filling in all of the numbers for the month of September here. Alright, so this is what the cover looks like. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. I'm so in love. Not to just like, you know, stroke my ego or anything, but I'm really proud of this kit, and I think it's just absolutely beautiful. Alright, every single month I always do this side door that I can flip open. It's just a thing that I've been doing, and I've been really loving it. So here's some cardstock that, I don't know why, you guys, I just have random cardstock that are cut out laying around, so I just want to use them up. And I just tape it to the side like that. So at the very top, I'm going to have it sectioned out, and the first part will be for my bills. And again, I always just decorate all of my headers and stuff. And the next thing is I'm gonna go ahead and lay down a full box, which these boxes do fit in Erin Condren planners as well if you want to try it out. And here's my favorite thing, are these little heart tasks. I do cut them out of gold vinyls, and I also leave the heart in there for you. So when you peel it out, you get these hearts that are left over, which are great to decorate your nails with. And what I do is I lay it down right in the center of my boxes. And on the left side, I would write out the bills. And on the right side, I would write out how much the bill is. And if I do pay it off, I just fill in the hearts as I go down the month. Alright, going down half the page, I'm going to go ahead and lay down another box, and this one's really pretty because it's framed with some leaves, and it's going to be my income box. So I'm just going to lay down some deco, and then I place the word income at the very top there. And at the bottom here, I'm just going to go ahead and place another quote. I think one step at a time is very appropriate here, especially when we're talking about bills, income, and savings. I mean, you got to do it all one step at a time, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and use some of the leaves here just to decorate it. Alright, so on the underside of that cardstock, I'm going to go ahead and use this as my Growing Groody page. It's my favorite page. I'm always really good at filling it out because I love Groody so much. From this kit would have to be the paper bag cutout of the leaves. I know it's kind of dull and it's boring, but I think it's such a nice balance for all the chrome and the beautiful colors that's in this kit. And as you guys can see at the bottom here, I'm going to go ahead and trace out one of her photos just so I kind of know what it'll look like at the end of the month. And then I place my stickers around the framing of those squares, so then when I place the photo right on top, some of the stickers will be peeking through. Would have to be these little circles that I cut out. This one is in gold, and I think it's just perfect for baby scrapbooking or anything that's really cute and bubbly related. They kind of just look like bubbles, and I just place them all around. And once you put the picture right on top, you can see these circles and leaves kind of peek through. So I think it's a fun little thing. Alright, so we are now on to our first week, and this is a nice blank page, which I'm always super excited at the beginning of every week to start a fresh week, because as you guys can see, my weeks can get pretty crazy. So at the top here, I'm going to go ahead and use some of the headers from the kit. This one has a little bit of leaves on it, and I think it's really delicate and beautiful, so I'm going to place down 7 of them for the 7 days of the week. And then I went ahead and used some of the gold liners to just underline the headers. I think they're great alone. I think they're wonderful with the headers. You can use them for so many things. You can even use them to decorate your nails because they are cut out of gold vinyls. Next, I'm using the maple leaves here, and they have the numbers on it. So I'm just going to stick it according to the day that it's associated with. And then I'm going to go ahead and place down the weekday. And a lot of you guys actually ask me why I start my weeks on a Monday. It's because I work from home and my week doesn't start until Monday. It's kind of weird, and it ends on a Sunday for me, and that's how it just has always worked in my head. And then at the very bottom of my weekly schedule, I always place a quote or something decorative just to make me feel happy and make me feel like, this week isn't just dragging on. And then my camera cut out, and I had no idea that it stopped, so yeah, I just did my goals on the right hand side there. I'm sorry, you guys, but I did use some of the drops from the kit and the watercolor strokes from the kit. So at the right hand top, that little notebook sheet is called Side Notes from my shop, and I like to use it to track my expenses because when you're running a sticker shop, you tend to overbuy stationery, so I want to make sure I'm not blowing too much of my money away on random stuff. And then at the bottom, I'm just going to decorate it with Groody's photos, and I'm using some clipboard clips, which I think is a nice little touch. And there's a mason jar there for me to track my water intake. I'm just using some golden tasks here, which is cut out in circles to track my Instagram post for my Etsy shop, and that's pretty much it for that. Alright, let's do a final flip through. There's the cover page, and then you see the month laid out with the wrong month on it, of course. Once I open up the door, you can go ahead and see my bills, incomes, and then once I close that up, there's the Growing Groody page. And then there's the first week of September, which I think is delicate and it's not too in your face as far as the whole fall theme goes, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Alright you guys, so that is the layout for the month of September. It is so pretty. I know everyone's gonna say this on YouTube, but fall is truly my favorite season. And the reason why is because I'm an October baby and Halloween is in the fall, and just, you know, that it's just beautiful, and everything about it just makes me feel warm and cozy, and it feels like a time for me to just, you know, slow down for a little bit before the chaos that is the winter. So I'm really excited for Halloween, you guys, just because Grudy and Papa and I are gonna have like a costume that's gonna match, which I will film the process of making that. So anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked the layout. Also, if you want to check out my sticker shop, I'll have it listed in the comment, and also in the description box there is codes and everything as well. I'm gonna link to everything that I use in the video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will catch you guys in the next video, which hopefully will be a favorites video. If you like this video, like it down below, share it with those that you know, hit that notification bell, notify all, it's a thing, and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Remember to always rock on Snow Beach. Bye 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 bye. I think it's something that I want to really talk about, and I think it's important that I do. Maybe it's not that important because I'm probably